Welcome to my channel Wings and Dresses. So in this video I'll be teaching you how you would be able to make your own flared skirt. It's a circle skirt, and this one, the material I bought is emerald green, so you can start right away with whatever color you like. So this is a silk one, and you are always welcome to view this video until you learn how to make your own skirt. So in this video I have bought 7 yards of material, and I will be dividing the 7 yards into 2. For instance, you can divide it as 2 folds, and each fold should be 50 inches each, an exact 2 fold of 50 inches. And then you need to cut your 2 half circles from these 2 folds separately. So as you can see, I have cut 2 half circles. So this is just one, and the other one is from this material I'm showing you. So once you've done both, you need to attach the edges of the seams together, and the middle is for the waist, and the waist is 7 inches diameter of circle. So once you cut the waist 7 inches in diameter of circle, you can start attaching the 2 edges of the skirt's seams that you will have to stitch by a sewing machine. So I will show you how to do that. So the waist, from the waist to the ankle length of the skirt is 39 inches of length, and how you will stitch the 2 seams together I will show you from this machine. First, you need to get ready, of course, with your machine. Get your thread accurate color for your material. So before anything else, after you prepare the machine, you need to sew and stitch your waistband, and the waistband needs to be 6 inches in width to insert a 2-inch elastic. So the length of this will be exactly about 55 inches in length, and this will attach to the skirt's waistband. And now let me show you how you need to attach the 2 seam edges of the skirt, the 2 panels where they come together. So one side is to be done first, and the last one will be done later, after you have attached the waistband and elastic. So before that, the first seam will be done. So these 2 which I am showing you are the 2 panels that come together first hand. So let's get started, and let's stitch these 2 seams together now. Make sure they are at the same pattern of design on the same side. Make sure to get the face side of the skirt material insidewards, and when sewing you need to get the underneath pattern outside and attach the 2 seams together, and you need to keep stitching from the waist towards the ankle level. So watch how I do it. So now we have attached the seam together, the first edge of seam from waist to ankle. So now we need to start attaching the waist length band, and later I will insert and stretch and stitch the elastic into it. So I may not have the privilege of showing you how that is done, but you will get the idea how to insert the elastic into the band. But before you insert the elastic into the band, you need to first stitch one side of it to the waist. So let's get started and let me show you how it's done. Okay, now I have attached one side of the waistband. So now I need to fold the waistband in two and attach it just the same way to the skirt's waist, which the first side of the band is. Then it makes a perfect fold, and then you can insert using a pin one side of this elastic right through and take it through to the other side once it's sewn. So now I'm gonna do that. Let's see how it looks after. This is the way it will look after you have sent the elastic through the waistband. You have to stretch it with your hand and pull it from one corner and keep stitching. Only then you will get that beautiful gathered look of skirt. And so this is how it looks after it's done. So now we need to attach the last edge seam of the ankle length from the waist to the ankle length of the skirt. That part we need to stitch now. So let's see after it's done how it will look, and later we need to sew the hem of the skirt for final finishing. So let's get started. So this is my favorite part of finishing the skirts, final hem stitching. So once you have stitched the hem in one fold, you have to continue doing it the second time to get a neat fold look, and that twirly look of the hem is always done when it's stitched twice folded. So let's see how it will look, the final product after it's done, and it will definitely look so pretty. So here we are stitching it now. So let's see how it look. This is the hem being stitched, the second round of fold. Okay, so here is the product, the final finished work. This is the complete skirt after stitching the hem of the skirt. Here we are. Let's have a look. Isn't it gorgeous? I love this color. The volume of this skirt is so beautiful. It's so super full and flared. So you could consider this to be the perfect full maxi skirt, and the beautiful silk material in its original piece of color and flowiness, and the full volume of it I will show you. And I have already uploaded the video before this video showing the finished product. I hope you have viewed that video. So it's called the emerald green skirt, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to dress make and tailor your own skirts. So because I did this video on request of so many people asking me of how to tailor and dress make a skirt. So this color I chose is absolutely fabulous and gorgeous. The touch of gorgeous silk saree and the flowy gorgeous silk of emerald green is just simply beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something out of this video of how to tailor your own dress. So thank you for watching, and I invite you to stay with me throughout life through this channel. Subscribe, like and share and comment and support me throughout. I thank you so much.